So guys, I'm Anamik and welcome to my channel Anamik Tech Talks, where I post about videos regarding how to make money online. But before I proceed, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel because I post videos daily regarding how to make money online. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money just by uploading photos on a website. Okay, you don't really need your own website, so you just need this platform that I'm going to talk about. So what if I tell you that you can make money just by uploading your own photos, or your photos of your breakfast, or photos of your, like, whatever it is, the landscape photos and stuff like that. Do you know that there are many websites that sell photos for like $300, $500 or $600? So it is expensive. So this is where the FOB comes in, and I'm going to talk about this website, and I will let you know the details and regarding how you can make money by uploading photos and selling them online. As you can see on the screen here, this is called FOB.com. okay, this is called FOB.com, and this is solutions, customers, and FOB. So what this FOBs does is that here you can upload your own photos, okay, and you can get paid for selling each and every photos, and access a community of 3 million talented creators and equip your brand with trailer-made video and imagery. So tell your brand story with your own customized visual content. So brief and launch, detail the tone, aesthetic, target audience, or any brand, okay, and review and select. Watch your mission gallery populate with visual content made to your brief. And okay, so this is for customers, okay, this page. Now I will show you about selling your content. This is where you have to do it. You have to download the FOB app either on your iOS device or Android device. So download for them, and there you'll be able to submit your photos, okay. So take part in creative video and photo mission for brands and win hundreds of dollars. Submitting a video or picture to one of your missions is an easy way to make your hobby even more profitable. Simply follow the mission brief and upload one or multiple videos or pictures that reflect what kind of imagery the brand is. Okay. So as you can see here, now as you can see here, this is a similar way, and this is they help you'll be able to see that FOB.com's global rank, which is 242,000, and the country rank in United States is around 119,000. the category is and the traffic is around 105,000, and that's incredible, right? And this is that much of traffic they get, and every single day, as you can see here, and it is 110,000. okay, that's incredible. And that means many people are viewing this website, and there's a chance that you'll be able to do it too, and that's easy. You just have to simply upload your videos and photos and then earn cash. When a brand or agency or just anyone who finds your work outstanding purchases a video, that means you're basically selling your own photos of your breakfast or your passion or whatever be the case, or the landscape that you have taken the photo from your camera or from your phone. You can upload it here, and if an agency finds your work, then if they buy it, then there is a 50-50 revenue share. That means the FOB, since they are providing the platform, and the visitors will get 50% of that revenue, and you will get the 50%. For example, if you're selling photo, for example, $20, then FOB will get $10 and you will get $10. Simple as that, right? And it might be a great way to get some more sales, and you'll be able to like upload as many photos as you can, but you have to price it like $200 or $300 or something like that. That's how the FOB works actually. Okay, just go to this section and download the Android for Android. As you can see here, 3-star here, and so many people. Okay, and I'm sure there's a good idea behind this app, but it wasn't very well executed, that they don't update. When you search for photos based on tags, just the most relevant appears, it gets going. Okay, this is for customers, I think, and you have to get started with this, and that would be great, I guess, and that would be great. And their team is real people, real question, real result, as you can see. Now I wanted to see something like how you get paid, right? That's the most important thing. If they allow like commissions, sell your content. Okay, support for creators. Okay, here is the facts section, as you can see. Okay, facts, selling on FOB. Okay, as you can see here, join regular FOB mission, which usually requires specific products in photo video section, and these missions have only one winner. Your photos can be bought in a regular mission for $10 each. That means it will be priced $10. That means it will be split between you, FOB, and you is $5 or $5, right? While in an exclusive mission, if you provide it for exclusive deal, then it can go up to $60. Note that you split your earnings with 50-50. Okay. Now you can join the premium mission. The premium is not required because you have to pay money. Okay, upload your any photos to your profile, caption and tag them, and wait for someone to spot them and buy them from you on a FOB market. One photo costs up to $10, and you split the money with FOB. For one photo sold for $10, you get that. That's what I said. And add photos to other of others users to your album, and wait for someone to be searching for an exact photo to find it in your album. For each photo you have added that will be bought from the album you have created, get you 25 cents. Okay, that's incredible. That's cool. Okay, and how you will get paid? That's my question. And okay, payments. How do I get the money? That's my question. Look, FOB uses PayPal to pay the photographers. That's what I was talking about. You need a PayPal account to be able to sell your photos here, and you can sell any photos you have taken. Okay, so there's no some such kind of like verification or something. You need to add your PayPal account, a PayPal email with the FOB app to be able to receive a payment in case you sell a photo. And on to add your PayPal in the app on Android, go to menu in the app and click on the settings. Once you are there, choose cash out settings. In cash out settings, enter your PayPal email twice. If your PayPal email is fob@gmail.com, then you would have to enter fob@gmail.com. That's it. You have to withdraw money, and when you click on withdraw now, you should be able to enter your email address. So to withdraw money, you will see that your sales and tab or withdraw money tab. If you want to withdraw them, then you have to click on withdraw now. The money are usually transferred during the first week after one full month. That means they pay on a net 30 cycle basis. So after 1 month, they will pay you within the first week of the next month. Okay, that's how it works. That's what I wanted to know, like whether it supports PayPal payments or not. That's incredible. So I hope this video is really helpful. And if you're into photos and stuff, let's keep instead of keeping it on your phone, upload it and sell it to your clients or whoever wants it, and make some extra cash, right? So I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, because I post videos daily regarding how to make money online on YouTube. And as a disclaimer, this process might work or may not work for you if you follow this tutorial, and there's no guarantee you will make any sales here. So what you have to do is I recommend you to check it out and see if it works for you, and you have to be patient. Okay, it doesn't happen overnight, so you have to be consistent in what you do. So I hope this video is really helpful for you, and thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video with another how to make money online videos.